Hello guys, hope you are doing good. So today we are going to discuss about how to build a website with minimum or no HTML knowledge, HTML and CSS knowledge. So let's get started. Before going to the actual thing, let's create a folder here. Let's give it a name called website. Okay, now just open a web browser you like, maybe Edge or Chrome or anything. So I will use Chrome here. Yes, now I just opened my Chrome browser here. So let's get started. I will type like here HTML CSS templates free download. That's it. Okay, now just use this first link. Yeah, can you see this? There are many templates available here. You can just select any one of this. And here if you see here, this is a Baba like thing is there, right? Just check the live demo before downloading this file. So this is the profile like thing. Here he is a UI and UX designer. So this is a resume type thing. Yeah, and there are many like this. This is a shopping website, I believe. Just check the demo here. Yes, this is looking cool. Right, with yellow color. I love yellow color. Okay, now I'm downloading this. Download it. Now my file got downloaded there. Let's just extract the file. Okay, so this is my downloaded file. So we will extract this file. Okay, now compress, extract all this folder that need to be extracted because this is the zip file. So just give a location that we have created for this in the website, which is located in desktop. Just select the folder and extract there. So that will extract all the files inside this zip file will be extracted here. Okay, so this is a file which we downloaded from web. Okay, just open it. So we'll check the demo how it is. So this is a demo for this. Yeah, the name of a company, I mean the e-commerce website name is eFlyer something, and there are so many things here. We can edit it as we like. If you see here, like this is a jewelry, index, fashion. Let's check all this what it is actually, and before going to edit all these things. This is electronics, so everything is same. This is only related to electronics. Actually, if we select here, and there are fashion, electronics and jewelry. So here also fashion, electronics and jewelry. So separate web pages have been created for each of these menus. Okay, so all these menus were linked in the index page. That is the main thing. So previously also we have created a index.html before starting the changes inside the code. So in the same way, like index is a standard way of representing that is a main page. Okay, now we will open it via any editor, text editor, that may be Notepad++, Visual Studios, anything. I love Visual Studios. I'll just open with that. Actually, this is a thing, index.html. This is very big code. Previously that is like only 100 line code, but here if we check this, it's around 700 line code. We just need to change everything according to our customization, according to our needs. Okay, we need to just change the titles. We can even change the pictures, but if you want to change the pictures, the picture needs to be in this images tab. What all the pictures are there in the website here, that will be there in this images tab. So if you see here, this is a logo e-flyer which we have seen in the banner item, something that. So this is a banner background. So if you see here, computer image, we have seen a shirt here, right? This is a shirt image which is backgroundless. Whatever the things which we want to paste in the website, that needs to be located here. What all the images, I mean all the images need to be located here. Okay, let's get started with our editing first. So if you see the website here, I want to change this name. Okay, so we can change the flyer also, but we need to create a logo. Before doing that, I don't have a logo there, so I will keep that as it is, and we'll change the rest of all the things. Okay, and now there are something like English, cart is everything is fine. What is this cart? Let's click on here. Fine. So if at all, if you clicking on something, nothing is generated in the sense. So here that will be an hash type symbol. So hash in the sense it's a place where we need to paste our link. So this is bestsellers. So if we go for the bestsellers, if we click on that, will not redirect to anywhere. If at all we give any link here, that will be redirected to somewhere. So if you want to redirect to some other pages or another website, so we can give the link in this hash instead of hash. Okay, so in the same way, gift ideas, new releases, today's deals, everything we can give the link according to our needs. Okay, now bestsellers, gift ideas, I think this looks fine. and I want to change this dollar to our rupee. So in my keyboard there is no rupee symbol. I will just search there and I'll copy here. I'll copy from here and I'll change here. Okay, come on, where is it? Yeah, it's a man t-shirt. It's dollar, right? We will change to rupees. Just paste it here, and definitely the shirt will not be around 30 rupees. So giving here as 3000. Let's check whether that will be reflecting here or not. So if you see here, so that is reflecting 3000 rupees. In the same way, so we can change everything what we want. I'll add a picture here. So I think this shirt is not so good, so I will browse something here. Give only shirt. I just click on a picture here. I like this. I like this shirt. This is from actually Indian Mart. Right click here, save the image as shirt dot jpg. Now so we need to give the dot extension mandatorily. So we'll check our path whether our path is correct. It is in desktop, website, HTML, images. Fine. Let's save that. Okay, now we need to change the name in the HTML code. Now let's check. This is actual name of the older shirt. Now we need to change to, here it is, it's shirt.jpg. Save this. Now execute it and reload it. Now that is working fine. So as the background is white, so even we selected the shirt with the white background, so that is perfect. We don't need to change anything here. So here it is something called a flyer, so I will change that. We cannot change it because this is a logo, so we need to create a logo for this, and we need to paste it. If you find any difficulty in finding a particular element what you need to change, so just right click on the particular element, click on inspect here. Okay, so that will give you the code where you need to change. So here banner bg main start, so image slash logo dot png is there, right? You need to change the name of the particular thing in order to reflect here. Okay, now as I want to change the title of this entire website, I'll go to my code and change the title here. Okay, I'll change it to Bale Babu. Okay, let's check whether that will reflect here or not. So yeah, Bale Babu is the name of my website. So yeah, in the same way you can change whatever you want. You can change this background picture, but try with the same dimensions, and you can change this the scrolling thing also. All you need to do is just click here, inspect, where it is, and yeah, it is here, H1. So your favorite shopping. In the same way, come here. So if you find something difficult in finding the element even in the code, just use Ctrl F. So you want to change get start your, right? So just type get. So here it is. So get start your favorite shopping. I will change to grab the save here. Let's check whether that will reflect here or not. Grab the amazing deals, and I told you, right, if you click on buy now, that will definitely not work. So in the same way you can change, like you can change everything you want. Not only in the index page, you can change in the pages like electronics, jewelry and fashion, in particular opening that particular web file in VS Studio, so you can change whatever you want. Actually this is a very efficient and easy way to start web development if you are learning. So I hope you like this video. Please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.